Hello, I'm Roy Finley, CEO and Company Manager of AAA Heating and Air. Today I want to talk with you a little bit about mini split products. Most people have heard of a mini split product but may not really be aware of actually what a mini split product is. The most common use of these products are to cool or heat a bonus room in your house or a spot that you traditionally didn't have heating and air in, such as a garage or a space over a garage. But the biggest thing with a mini split product is the fact that it's ductless. The compressor sits outside of your home and the head sits inside and it's quiet. There's no sound. This unit that we're here right now is running right now. There's absolutely no sound to it. Also, the efficiency of a mini split unit starts at the top of where most of your traditional heating and air systems max out at. So we're able to get this unit anywhere from a 20 SEER all the way up to a 32 SEER system. And we talk 32 SEER system to try to give you a little bit of something to judge it by. Traditional systems probably won't reach 32 SEER till late, maybe 2029, 2030, before we ever reach that high SEER with traditional. But here we have it now. We have that technology now. So, like I said, the most common use is going to be a one-to-one head. Okay, one head up here, one condenser downstairs. So if you're remodeling your home, or you just have hot spots throughout your home, or let's say you've become an empty nester and your home, you had traditional heating and air and you were a 4-bedroom house, and now your children have moved off and gone to college and you mostly spend all of your time in the living room and in your master suite. We can come in and put one condenser outside and put you two of these heads, one in your living room, one in your master suite, and you can condition those spaces down to 72 degrees, jack the rest of your house up to 80 degrees, and cut your electricity bill in half with a small investment. These are typically about the cost of a traditional system put in, but remember you don't have ductwork to contend with, so you don't have that added cost. We're actually able to retro an entire house. So let's say that you have an average size home. Americans live in an average size 1,600 to 2,000 square foot home. So you have that home and you now have a 3.5 ton unit on it, traditional, and it's a 14 SEER unit. We can come in and replace that traditional system, that air handler. We can get a Mitsubishi air handler, one condenser outside, and now in the master suite and maybe in the living room, we can put one of these heads. So you now have a complete 30 SEER system throughout your house. Not only if you decide to run the entire house, are you going to be doing it cheaper, but you don't have to. This is on demand or spot heating and cooling. So if you're going to be in the living room or you're going to be in the master suite, you can have those rooms at the comfort you want while you're in there. And then you can simply turn them up or turn them down, whatever you want when you walk out of the room and go to the next room. Or you can have them set that you know you're in there during the day, have them a certain temperature, and at night have them a different temperature. It's all up to you. The mini split market has opened up an entire new side to the heating and air industry. And the heating and air industry is going to eventually merge. It's all going to go to a hybrid system. Part doesn't have ductwork, part does have ductwork, and we're able to merge those two systems together to get you better efficiency.